What they need to know about, taxing and starting is it goes back to what type of business that you're going to start. Is it a LLC? Is it a S corp, C corp? And then, from there, then you have to understand what kind of deductions can you take, and that's where the accountants come in. Business lawyers. That's where they come in, and we can set them up. With those people. So we know, quite a few of them from. You can have mine. I mean, the ones that I use, they can help them out with that. One of my biggest mistakes was not paying taxes up front. It's because I just didn't know, and that's something that we can prevent, people from doing. I pay them quarterly. Even now, 20 years later, I still pay them quarterly. I still on top of that. It was a big lesson for me because not only did I owe that tax amount, then I had a penalty, and then I had the interest on top of that. So I had to dig out of that, and so the company's growth stalled at that point. Having a good accountant, for deductions and things like that was good. I didn't have that in the beginning because I was small, so I didn't want to spend that money, up front to hire somebody to do that. But that was a very expensive lesson. Paying taxes quarterly means every 3 months I send a payment into the IRS. I may or may not know exactly what that amount I owe them is, but my accountant has a very good idea because they have access to my QuickBooks, my bank accounts. They look at that and they'll know, hey, let's send them a check for this. So I send it in. Even if I send too much, it's going to cut off on Q2, quarter two, when those taxes come in. So I stay, ahead of that game. So at the end of the year, I don't get this humongous bill from the IRS. I get something that's manageable.